Right, welcome to another lesson in High School ICT. In this lesson, I want to show you how we insert and use extra features in our form, design features to make our form more user-friendly, to make the form easier to capture data. So what I've done, I've added extra fields to my original table. And the reason I've done that is because I'm actually going to create these fields. I'm going to create control boxes for these fields: payment, dentist, and appointment. I'm going to add appointment days. I'm going to add extra, or should I say, I'm going to add control boxes for these fields in my form. Just something that I want to show you. If you want to put a combo box in, which I've done, let me have a look over here. You'll see on dentist, I've got Dr. Brown and Dr. Jones. So let's just go put an extra one here. So I'll put one, and let's say room number. Okay. And I want to choose between room 1 or room 2. I don't want to have to keep typing in 1 or 2. So I've got it on short text, and I'm going to go to the bottom to the lookup wizard, and I will type in what I want, click next, and I'll type in room 1, and over here room 2. Click next. Okay, that's the label, room number, correct. I could, yeah, that's fine. And over here you can see there's room 1, room 2. Okay, so let's go and create a tick box for payment and a combo box for dentist, and then I also want to show you how we insert radio buttons and navigation buttons. But for this lesson, I want to show you how to create tick boxes on the form, because I've got a tick box over here. And remember, we don't want people going into the actual back end of the database. We want them to use the form to fill out the information that will populate to our table. And then I also want to have a combo box or a drop-down list where we can have a choice like this, but on our form. Okay, so let me close this for now. And I've already created my form. And again, we go to design view. Now there are a number of things that I need to show you. These are all the controls at the top over here. We have a text box, we have a label, etc. I'm going to put a label in. Okay, there we go. We spoke about how we can move, oopsie daisy. And I'm going to call that payment, and to place a tick box over here, selected. There's my tick box. Put my tick box in. Take that out, I don't want that. Here's my tick box. And form view. Okay. It's ticked. It's unticked. So the payment is made or it's not made. And then I want to, over here, I'm going to go again to my label. And I'm going to put in a label because I want to put in, I'm going to say, or should I say dentist. Okay. I can move that over, and I'm going to put in a combo box. Go, and I'll type in my own values, and I'm going to say Dr. Brown and Dr. Jones. Next. Okay, store these in the field. Dentist, that's important to link it. Click next, and I'm going to call this dentist. Finish. There we go. And sorry, form view, and let's have a look. There we go. I can choose Dr. Brown or Dr. Jones. Alright, in the next lesson I want to show you how we set up radio buttons and how we set up navigation buttons.